Is your smart home talking to you? Your roof, windows, siding, and gutters may be sending you messages that it's time to listen up. Here are some tips and tricks you'll want to know.
A lot of times, signs to act are going to be entailed for gutters, for instance. A lot of times what we'll see is the connections or the braces for the gutters starting to fail, and then the gutters actually starting to droop off the house. When it comes down to roofs, what we'll see is a lot of damage either from hail or it could be from any sort of storms that we've had where the shingles start to dry out, they start to crack, they start to peel off. So first and foremost, obviously roofs we are very well known for and have been for a very long time, but it's a really problem solving and finding out exactly what we need to do to fix those problem areas, such as the gutters or siding or roofs.
So let's talk about your roof first. It might be the biggest investment you have in your home. That's why it's important to know what's going on.
Well, homeowners, as they are considering a new roof, obviously they're going to want to know certain types of details, such as what kind of underlayments are we using? How is my roof going to be protected? How are you going to fix these things? When it comes down to their problem areas, and especially with a lot of our homeowners, they don't necessarily know exactly what is going on with the roof. So if they see leaks on the inside of the house, they want to ask us, okay, well, where do you think this is coming from? Or what could this be stemming from? So obviously we need to figure out where those items are starting, so that way we can figure out where they're going to finish.
This entire roof is being replaced in just one day. So next, let's take a look at those windows. What are some of the signs that they need your attention?
When homeowners are looking at windows, a couple things they need to keep track of. They need to take a look at the seals on the inside around the frames, but also every once in a while taking a look at the seals on the outside of the house. Something as simple as that seal can allow a good amount of water into a wall and cause a lot more damage than what is expected.
What about those gutters? Maybe we should call them clutters.
Gutters can definitely be a clutter situation. And if you've ever, as a homeowner, if you've ever had to get out and actually try to clean your gutters, it is a kind of a grueling process after a little while. And they can get stacked up with so many leaves and pine needles and anything and everything that possibly might be around your house. So part of the reason why we use 6-inch aluminum gutters also, we also offer gutter guards, and we're also very specific in the way that we design the actual gutter system.
And let's not forget the siding. New siding can actually transform your home.
The visual impact of siding can really change the ideal of how your house looks. There's a lot of different designs that siding can come in. There's a load of different colors as well that are available to the homeowner. We are incredibly passionate about the way that we do roofs and the way that we do windows and the love that we put into siding. And again, it falls back to the details, but also our customer service has always been number one for us. It's really all about client relations, and it's really about building relationships with people. It's not just about coming in and doing a job.
Want to know more about Ridgetop Exteriors? Visit ridgetopexteriorsfl.com or designingspaces.tv.